Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can zoom to fit in your photos on Adobe Lightroom in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to that example photo here and let me zoom in, for instance, I don't know, to the bottom right corner of that image, and now we can pan across or around that image by left clicking, by holding that cursor, by moving your mouse. So if I'd like to zoom to fit, guys, there are two ways. You can either zoom out as much as needed and find your custom zoom level and keep panning, for example, here. Or you simply use that button to the left, zoom to fit, and that is going to reset the zoom basically to the default settings and show you these that aspect ratio here. So it's that button here between the plus and minus zoom in and zoom out. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.